guys, what's up, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. This is a very exciting video because I'm partnering up with Elmer's, so a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. Elmer's reached out and they wanted me to be a part of their What If holiday campaign. And basically for this campaign, they are initiating a giant slime swap with me and 25 other creators. Each of us got the chance to create our own mystery slime box with our favorite slime making ingredients, which we'll be swapping with one another. So the holiday box that I've designed, another creator will be receiving it. And if you want to see who got my box, you need to follow the hashtag Elmer'sWhatIf. Here, as you can see, I've got my holiday box and I am so excited to see who it's from and what's inside. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video.
Okay guys, before we go ahead and open the box, let's see who this is from. To everythingnimc. Just a few of my favorite things to make slime. Happy holidays from Talisa Tossel. Thank you so much for sending this box. I am so excited to see what's inside. So without any further ado, let's open this up. The first thing that I noticed when I was opening the box was what was on the lid. So it says, "What if you got the gift of slime this holiday?" I'm sure this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to unbox this. So I'm just gonna pick out things as I see them. And the very first thing that I saw was this pink Elmer's glitter glue. Next, I found 2 bottles of clear glue. I know Talisa loves clear slimes, so that explains the clear glue. This next item was something that I was kind of expecting because I've seen Talisa do a lot of pigment mixing videos. So we have 7 of these beautiful pigments. I also got some rainbow foam beads. I got 2 packs of clay in pink and red. More foam beads, so these are rainbow colored foam beads that are slightly bigger than the previous ones. And then we have these blue colored foam beads. I also found another pack of clay. For add-ins, I got these flower beads that are so pretty. And then I also got these fruit slices. In the box, I also found these 2 metallic glues. So we have teal and pink. These are loom bands, which I've never really added to slime before, but they're in such pretty colors. I got water beads. Throughout the box, I also found these beautiful glitters. So we have red, teal, blue, and purple. Another bottle of clear glue, so I'm definitely gonna have to make some clear slime. Lastly, I got this confetti slime activator and then a bunch of the Elmer's magical liquid, which is of course a key ingredient to making slime. I love everything that's in the box. Thank you so much to Lisa. Of course, after getting so many new slime ingredients, I have to make slime. I have my bowl here in which I'm going to make some clear slime. So here I'm using the clear Elmer's glue and I'm going to pour that into a bowl. Then I'm going to take the Elmer's magical liquid and I'm going to add this a little bit at a time and I'm going to keep mixing it in until the slime is activated. I am going to be using the pigment that I got in my box. This is a color reflective pigment, so it shifts from blue to purple and it is so beautiful. So I am going to mix that into the clear slime. Like I said, this is a color shifting pigment, so in some lightings it looks blue and then sometimes it looks purple. It is so beautiful and I am obsessed with this slime. For the add-ins, I decided to add some of that glitter that I got, so I'm using the blue and purple one. With all of the things that I got in my box, I just feel like making one slime isn't enough. So I am going to make a second slime, and for this I am going to be using the pink glitter glue. To turn this into slime, I'm using the Elmer's Magical Liquid, and just like I did with the last slime, I'm adding a little bit at a time. I'm mixing it in, and then if I need more, I will add some more of the liquid. Now I am going to add clay into the slime, and I'm using the pink colored one. And this is really going to make the slime so soft and so airy, and I just love clay slimes in general. So yeah. After mixing in the clay, I turned the slime into this beautiful baby pink color, which is so pretty. And now for the add-ins, I decided I wanted to add the fruit slices. I just think it goes very well with this slime.
And that is it for this video. Thank you again to Talisa for such an amazing box. I had so much fun filming this like holiday themed video. I love the holiday season in general because there are so many pretty decorations everywhere and everyone is in such good spirits. And also, like I was saying before, Elmer's did create a box inspired by me that I'm so excited to gift to a fellow creator. And if you guys have like any guesses on who's getting my box, let me know in a comment below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also make sure to follow the hashtag ElmersWhatIf to find out who got my holiday box. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video.